Grendel's mother.
What happened here?
The mother of Grendel has taken revenge on us of killing his son, and now he's taking revenge.
Don't you worry, I will kill the furious monster and I will bring pride to our hair.
He followed the tracks of the monster across the fen to an inland sea and dove into the dark, murky waters. Sorry, silkulit naman. Kabusong.
You can defeat me, Beowulf.
Sword snatched. Talikod na. Bill swung it to the monster and killed her.
No, you're wrong.
He saw her dead before him, and as he cut all of the monster's head, the magic sword melted in his hands. The poem ends with Beowulf's last adventure.
Beowulf, now an old man, had ranged
Juna, Apple, Janelle, let's go visit Beowulf. Okay. I'm sure that he will share his experience during the time. At least, Beowulf, is it true that you battle monster during the horrific time of the village?
My child, it is true. I battled two monsters.
Can you teach us your skills?
I want to, but I'm old now. I cannot teach you.
I want to be like you, King Beowulf.
If you want to be like me, you must train hard and be a good person.
Okay, thank you, Master Beowulf. We're going now.
That same night, a dragon, belching fire and smoke, descended upon a village and killed all inhabitants.
I think I smell something. Oh,
This is fire!
there's a fire village. Where's King Beowulf? We need your help. Please help.
King Beowulf, there's a fire-breathing dragon. Please help us.
Okay,
Our village is burning. Again, Beowulf went forth to champion his people.
in this fight with the dragon. Beowulf fought the fire-breathing dragon, and although he slew the dragon, he swallowed some of the fire.
He met his death amidst the enormous treasures of the dragon. He was buried in sorrow and received signal honors from his men.
Mr. Beowulf.